Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this micro crochet, or you can see this you can set this mini crochet flower earring. This is little bit different because here I have stitched also. These flowers are of crochet, and that green color leaf I have stitched it. Okay, so if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for this full project I have used this green color pearl cotton thread. This is Anchor brand, and that orange color embroidery Anchor thread, yellow color also the same one, and then I have used 0.50 crochet hook, fabric glue, and a needle also I have used. Then I need that earring hook. Okay, and with that black colored thread also I need, and also scissor. So as this is a little bit lengthy, so I have cut this video like this, means I have make this two. This is the part 1. Here I'll show you how to make this two type crochet flower. So both are micro. You can see this is actually the embroidery thread. This is 6 thread, means 6 ply. So I have used only 2 ply together. So here you can see, at first I have made that magic ring. Okay, then I am making 2 chain, 1 and 2. Then I'll make that 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet, means 2 double crochet, second one, then 2 chain, 1 2, then we'll make the slip stitch. So this is the first petal. Like that I'll make that total 4 petals. So here I'll show you again. At first 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then second double crochet, after second double crochet we'll make 2 chain, 1 2, then slip stitch. Okay, like that 2 more petal I'll make. So we'll come after that. So here you can see that 4 petal flower is done. You can see how tiny is it. It looks very beautiful. I love this actually. Okay, so I need for one earring 3 flower. Okay, so now we'll go to the yellow color flower. So for that one also the same way I'll make. Here I'll make the magic ring first. The same hook I have used, 0.50 Guys, if you have any doubt, then please do comment me. So at first you just make the magic ring, then we'll make 2 chain, 1 and 2, then make 1 double crochet. After 1 double crochet we'll make 1 treble crochet. Treble crochet done, then you just make 3 chain, 1 2 3. Now I am inserting the hook over the front loop of this 2 1. You can see here that front loop only I am just inserting the hook, 1 and 2, second one. Okay, now you just pull the thread over these 2 loops and make the slip stitch. You will get the arch. Then we'll make 1 triple crochet, then after triple crochet we'll make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, then we'll make 2 chain. Okay, that first petal is done. 1 and 2 chain will make, 1 and 2, then we'll make the slip stitch. Okay, so like that 2 more petal will make. So I'm showing you another one also. First 2 chain, then 1 double crochet, then 1 treble crochet, then that arch, then again 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 chain and slip stitch. Okay, so this one actually this is the part 1. Here I'll show you how to make this flower, and on the part 2 I'll show you how to make the earring, as I have to embroidery and all. Okay, so keep watching. So here you can see that second petal also done, almost done. That arch has done. Now I'm making that treble crochet, then 1 double crochet, then after double crochet we'll make 2 chain, 1 2 chain, then the slip stitch. Okay, so like that 1 more petal I have to do, so we'll come after that third petal. So here you can see that third petal also done. Now I'm just pulling the thread to tie this. Okay, so like that our flower has done. So the same one I need for 1 earring, total 3. Okay. So guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel, as if you guys subscribe my channel, then I just motivate actually this one motivate me to make more such videos. And you guys please tell me on the comment box which type of project you want or you like, then I'll try to come with as your choice project. Okay, so keep watching, and tomorrow I'll upload the next video also, means part 2 also I'll upload. Okay, so please do subscribe, and please like, share, and comment me. So thank you.